In this video, I will be showing you how to merge photos on Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button located at the top left corner of the screen. From the list of options, I navigate down to the frequently used section and select Instagram post in a 4:5 aspect ratio. This opens up a clean, blank canvas in the Canva editor where we will combine our photos. Once the editor opens, I head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Elements tab. From here, I scroll down through the Browse Categories section until I find Grids, and I click on it to explore the different layout options available. Canva offers a variety of grid templates, so I scroll through to find the ideal layout for our project. I choose a grid layout that features one large vertical frame on the left and 3 stacked frames on the right, which automatically snaps into place across the canvas. Next, I navigate back to the top of the Elements panel and click into the search bar. I type in Tokyo to search for themed images and press Enter. To filter out graphics and videos, I select the Photos tab right beneath the search bar to view only high-resolution photos. I browse through the options, select a photo of the Tokyo skytree surrounded by cherry blossoms, and drag and drop it directly into the large left section of the grid. To maintain a consistent aesthetic, I click on See All under Magic Recommendations to view matching photos. Now, I scroll through the recommended collection to find complementary photos for the remaining frames. I select a photo of a traditional Japanese pagoda and drag it into the bottom right frame. I open the crop options to adjust the positioning so the structure is nicely centered, and then click Done. Next, I select a photo of Tokyo Tower against a clear sky with blossoms and place it into the top right frame. For the final middle frame, I drag and drop a vibrant photo of a traditional street with a red shrine gate. With all 4 images placed, I collapse the side panel to get a clear, full preview of the finished layout. All the photos fit together seamlessly into one clean, well-balanced design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to merge photos on Canva.